Road markings for public use require clear visibility, strong adhesion, and long-term durability. A cold-applied, ready-to-use traffic coating provides a practical solution for roadways, parking areas, and pedestrian pathways, without the need for heat application. FLORTEK TARC Traffic Acrylic Reflectorized Coating is designed for professional and public infrastructure applications, delivering consistent line definition, reflectivity, and durability under regular traffic conditions. Proper application is essential to achieve optimal performance. The following steps outline the recommended application procedure for FLORTEK TARC. Step 1. Surface preparation. Ensure the application area is clean, dry, and free from oil, dust, and loose particles. Proper surface preparation promotes strong adhesion and a uniform coating finish. Step 2. Layout and marking guide. Apply masking tape to define line edges and maintain consistent width and alignment throughout the marking process. Step 3. Material preparation. Before application, stir FLORTEK TARC thoroughly to remove any settled material and ensure even distribution of glass beads within the coating. Step 4. First coat application. Using a roller or brush, apply the first coat evenly along the prepared surface, maintaining a consistent film thickness. Step 5. Drying time. Allow the first coat to dry for a minimum of 1 hour before applying the second coat. Step 6. Second coat application. Apply the second coat using the same method to improve opacity, durability, and reflectivity. Step 7. Curing period. After application, allow the markings to cure for 3 days before opening the area to vehicular traffic. When applied correctly, FLORTEK TARC delivers clear, durable, and reliable road markings suitable for public and institutional use.